Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an ice-dyed shirt that I'm going to dye in the muck. The shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I spun it out in my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. For this shirt, I'm going to just lay it out flat and using my hands, I'm going to scrunch it and make some folds in the fabric. After I make the folds, I'm not going to tie it up or use any rubber bands or anything. I'm going to put it down inside of a small plastic container and I'm going to press it down until it fits nice and tight. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to muck dye this one. So I'm going to put the dye directly down on top of the shirt and I'm going to allow it to sit in the runoff from the dye and the ice as it melts. I'm beginning with Bubblegum Pink from Dharma Trading Company. Just going to randomly sprinkle that on the shirt. Ivory from Dharma Trading Company. And Wisteria from Pro Chemical and Dye. I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash over the top of the shirt so that as the ice melts and runs throughout the shirt, there is still plenty of soda ash left in the shirt to react with the dye. Then I'm going to layer the ice on, put the lid on this tub, and set it aside and not disturb it until I'm ready to rinse it out. I waited about 24 to 36 hours after all the ice had melted before I rinsed it out. And this is what our shirt looks like. So honestly, this is not what I was expecting. I thought that I would have a lot more color on this shirt than I do. I think because the shirt was so tight inside of that container, the muck that was in there was pretty much clear. And I think that was partially because the colors were so light and I had so much ice and the shirt was so tight. I like that it is a lot more sporadic with the color. You can see the splits really well and I think it just makes it look really unique. The more I look at it, the more it grows on me and the more I love it. So hey, if you guys love this video and are enjoying my other videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.